Let me ask you something. Have you ever walked away from a situation thinking, I really should have said something? Well, you're not alone. Neuroscience shows that when we avoid important conversations, when we hold back instead of speaking up, we trigger the brain's stress response. And that creates anxiety. It drains our focus. It disrupts our sleep and quietly chips away at our confidence. But here's the real cost. That issue you're avoiding, it doesn't go away. It lingers. It undermines trust, erodes performance, and creates a culture of silence and frustration. The brain craves clarity, and clarity comes from well-managed conversations. That's why I'd love you to join me and Ali Gibbons for our upcoming webinar, Mastering Difficult Leadership Conversations, Neuroscience and Paradox Thinking in Action. Join us on Thursday the 27th of March at 12:30 p.m. We'll share practical science-based tools and help you to speak up with confidence and curiosity, even when the conversation feels uncomfortable. Because when leaders communicate clearly and courageously, everything changes. Register now via the link and help your brain make difficult conversations easier for other brains.